If you're one of the millions dealing with IBS, bloating, or digestive sensitivities, the low FODMAP diet can be a game changer. But let's face it, sticking to this diet can feel overwhelming without a plan. Enter meal prepping, your secret weapon for staying on track, reducing stress, and avoiding high FODMAP traps. In this guide, we'll walk you through a proven low FODMAP meal prep checklist to simplify your routine, save time, and keep your gut happy. Plus, we'll share easy recipes and expert tips to make your journey delicious and sustainable. Why meal prep matters on a low FODMAP diet. Avoids accidental triggers. Prepping meals in advance ensures you stick to safe, gut-friendly ingredients. Saves time and money. Batch cooking reduces daily kitchen chaos and minimizes food waste. Reduces decision fatigue. No more scrambling to figure out what's safe to eat during busy days. Your low FODMAP meal prep checklist. 1. Plan your meals research. FODMAP-friendly recipes. Stick to Monash University-approved ingredients, e.g., zucchini, carrots, chicken, quinoa. Balance nutrients. Aim for protein plus low FODMAP veg, plus safe carbs in every meal. Write a meal schedule. Assign recipes to breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for each day. Pro tip: start with 3-4 simple recipes you can repeat, e.g., sheet pan chicken bowls, quinoa salads. 2. Grocery shopping. Print a low FODMAP shopping list. Focus on proteins: chicken, turkey, eggs, tofu, veggies, bell peppers, spinach, eggplant, green beans. Carbs: white rice, gluten-free oats, rice noodles. Flavors: garlic-infused oil, no garlic chunks, ginger, soy sauce, gluten-free. Avoid high FODMAP traps: onions, garlic, apples, cauliflower, honey. 3. Prep day essentials. Batch cook proteins. Grill 4 to 5 chicken breasts or bake tofu cubes. Chop veggies. Wash, slice, and store in airtight containers, e.g. the bell peppers for snacks, zucchini for stir-fries. Cook grains. Prepare 2-3 cups of quinoa, rice, or gluten-free pasta. Make sauces, dressings. Try olive oil plus lemon plus Dijon mustard or a sesame ginger glaze. Storage hack. Use glass containers and label them with dates, contents. 4. Assemble meals, portion meals. Divide proteins, veggies, and grains into single-serving containers. Keep snacks ready. Pre-package carrots with peanut butter, rice cakes, or lactose-free yogurt. Freeze extras. Soups and cooked proteins freeze well for busy days. 5. Stay flexible. Reuse ingredients. Mix and match prepped items, e.g. grilled chicken works in salads, wraps, or bowls. Track symptoms. Note how you feel after meals to identify personal triggers. Sample low FODMAP meal plan. Breakfast: overnight oats, gluten-free oats plus lactose-free milk plus strawberries. Lunch: quinoa salad with grilled chicken, spinach, cucumber, and olive oil dressing. Dinner: baked salmon with roasted carrots and mashed potatoes. Use garlic-infused oil. Snack: rice cakes with peanut butter plus 1 small banana, if tolerated. Download a free 7-day low FODMAP meal plan here. Common mistakes to avoid: overcomplicating recipes. Stick to simple dishes with 5 to 6 ingredients. Ignoring portion sizes. Even low FODMAP foods, like almonds, can trigger symptoms in large amounts. Skipping snacks. Keep safe options handy to avoid hunger-driven mistakes. FAQs about low FODMAP meal prep. Q. Can I freeze low FODMAP meals? Yes. Soups, cooked proteins, and grains freeze well for up to 3 months. How do I add flavor without garlic onions? Oh, use garlic-infused oil, chives, ginger, or herbs like basil and oregano. Are canned foods safe? A. Check labels for additives like inulin or high-fructose corn syrup. Final tips for success. Invest in quality containers. Leak-proof glass containers keep meals fresh. Use the Monash app. Stay updated on FODMAP ratings for ingredients. Join a community, follow low FODMAP blogs or social groups for recipe inspiration. With this low FODMAP meal prep checklist, you'll spend less time stressing over meals and more time enjoying life without the bloating or discomfort. Remember, consistency is key. Start small, track your progress, and celebrate every gut-friendly win. Download your free low FODMAP meal prep checklist plus shopping list. Link in description.